Yes, you can bring your own phone to Xfinity Mobile as of November 2025. Your phone needs to be unlocked from your current carrier and compatible with Xfinity's Verizon-powered network. First, ensure your phone is unlocked. Then, check compatibility using Xfinity's online checker with your IMEI number. For activation, you'll need an Xfinity SIM kit and a clean IMEI. If everything checks out, you're ready to go. Your phone must be unlocked to work with Xfinity Mobile. Contact your current carrier for unlocking. Verizon devices usually unlock automatically after your contract ends. Xfinity Mobile uses Verizon's LTE and 5G bands. Your phone must support these bands for compatibility. 5G is now enhanced with faster speeds. Buy an Xfinity SIM kit and insert it into your unlocked phone. Activate via the Xfinity app or website. Remember, Xfinity does not support CDMA-only devices or those with incompatible frequencies.